this is being supported by a group called Lysosomal Diseases Support Society, which is entirely driven by the parental organization. These are parents of affected children who are running this society on a compassionate basis to raise the awareness and provide funds. These are all nothing but genetic disorders wherein the enzyme is missing. So when the enzyme is missing, the normal parts which have to be cleared from the body is not being cleared. So that waste material starts getting accumulated in the body. So it depends on where it is accumulated, what substance is accumulated, you have symptoms. Like there are around 45 to 50 different lysosomal storage disorders, of which some of them affect only the heart and the muscle, like a condition called Pompe's disease. Some affect the heart, liver, brain and the muscle and the joints, like what is called as mucopolysaccharidosis. There are almost 7 to 8 different types of mucopolysaccharidosis. And similarly, you have a condition which is completely treatable called Gaucher's disease, wherein because of the enzyme deficiency, the spleen gets enlarged, the nerves, the cells in the blood come down, and their body growth is not normal. So there are many of these conditions which can be treated. And there is another condition called Fabry's disease, wherein in the 20s they can get renal failure and also nerve problems. So even Fabry's can be treatable, Sandor lab, but there are specialized doctors available across the children's hospital and the various high-end hospitals. So you'll have to communicate with them, and then they will be able to guide you through the appropriate testings. Once diagnosed, one thing is we need to see whether it's a treatable condition or not a treatable condition. If it is not a treatable condition, this is the first child in the family. For the future pregnancies, you need to make sure that the problem does not recur. So in the future pregnancy, you'll have to do the same testing in the child, in the mother during the pregnancy, 3rd month of pregnancy, and make sure if the enzyme is deficient in that child, all you can do is only abort that pregnancy. Because once the child is born, if you are not able to treat, there is no point getting that baby alive into this world.